Are you planning to start your own vlogging channel in 2023? If so, you'll need the best vlogging camera to capture high-quality videos that will captivate your audience. In this video, we'll be discussing the top contenders for the title of the Best Vlogging Camera 2023, so you can make an informed decision on which camera to invest in. We've scoured the market for the best camera for vlogging, taking into account factors such as video quality, image stabilization, ease of use, and price. So tune into our video and discover which cameras made our list for the best camera for vlogging 2023, and find the perfect vlogging camera to help you bring your content to life. Product 1, DJI Pocket 2. If you're looking for a small, compact camera with advanced features, then the DJI Pocket 2 is the one for you. The motorized stabilization uses a 3-axis gimbal to keep the camera steady, even when you're on the move. This technology also helps to capture crisp photos and smooth videos, even in low-light environments. The 1/1.7-inch sensor captures images with 64MP photo and 4K video quality, and the 20mm f/1.8 lens provides a wide and cinematic look. The 4 microphones of the DJI Matrix Stereo offer sound recording in different directions, as well as audio zoom and soundtrap, which enhance audio based on the camera's direction and focus. With the glamour effects, you can always share your best selfie, and the AI editor automatically combines your clips with transitions and music to create share-worthy content. DJI Pocket 2 is pocket-sized, weighs only 116 g, and offers up to 140 minutes of battery life, making it perfect to take anywhere. DJI Pocket 2 turns on in a second so that you can capture photos and videos in an instant. Product 2, Insta360 If you're looking for a pocket camera that can shoot in all directions and capture ultra-stable footage, the Insta360 is the one for you. With its super 5.7K 360 capture, you can shoot first in every direction and then choose your favorite angle later. You can also pick just one lens with steady cam mode for ultra-stable wide-angle footage. The flow state stabilization of the 1X2 uses better than ever stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms to keep your shots steady. This means that you don't need a gimbal to capture smooth footage. The invisible selfie stick of the 1X2 allows you to shoot with the selfie stick and then watch it disappear in your edit. You can capture easy drone-like angles and third-person perspectives with the flick of a wrist. The Insta360 is waterproof to 10 meters, 33 feet, making it perfect for taking it out in a rainstorm or surfing without a case. In the box, you get the 1X2 camera, the Bullet Time bundle, which includes the invisible selfie stick and Bullet Time tabletop tripod/handle, a 64GB microSD card, and a lens cap. Product 3, Action 3 Video Camera. Are you looking for a camera that can capture smooth, ultra-level footage even in high-contrast scenarios? Look no further than the Action 3 video camera. With HDR video, this camera delivers vivid yet natural details, and with 10-bit color depth, it captures over 1 billion colors. Whether you're skiing, skydiving, or biking around on bumpy terrain, the horizon steady feature of the Action 3 keeps things smooth and ultra-level for epic footage of even your wildest rides. The Action 3 was built to endure with a 160-minute max battery life and up to 150 minutes of continuous recording in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius -4 degrees Fahrenheit. This camera was built to go wherever you do. An innovative and effortless quick-release mounting design of the Action 3 lets you securely mount the camera on all of your favorite gear, even vertically, in just seconds. And, the camera is waterproof down to 16 meters, letting you dive deep and explore further when underwater. The Action 3 features front and back touchscreens with hydrophobic coating, allowing you to vlog, take selfies, adjust parameters, and enjoy crystal clear playback, even with wet hands. If you're looking for the ultimate creative tool, then you're going to want to check out this next camera on our list, the dual 1-inch sensors and superb low light. This camera features dual 1-inch CMOS sensors that deliver unparalleled image quality with outstanding dynamic range and superb low light performance. But that's not all. The camera also boasts stunning 6K 360-degree video capture, which allows you to easily capture impossible shots with the invisible selfie stick and 360 reframing. And with 21 MP 360 photos that are seamlessly stitched, you can capture the world around you in sharp definition. And let's not forget about the flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock, which combines 6-axis stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms to deliver incredibly smooth videos. It's like having your own personal cameraman. 4K 60 FPS and 20 MP action camera. The Vantop Moment 4C records 4K/60 FPS videos and captures 20 MP photos. It lets you shoot in various modes including time-lapse, burst photo, slow motion, and fast motion, providing you with endless possibilities for creativity. Electronic image stabilization and dual microphone. The built-in EIS technology ensures that your footage is stable and smooth even in extreme situations. Product 6, Sony ZV-1F camera. This compact camera is packed with features that make it a great choice for content creators, vloggers, and anyone who wants to capture high-quality photos and videos. One of the standout features of the Sony ZV-1F is the ultra-wide 20mm lens, which lets you capture a wide field of view even when you're holding the camera at arm's length. This makes it easier to take selfies and group shots. Another impressive feature is the large 1-inch sensor and f2 lens, which allow you to shoot in low-light situations and defocus the background for a professional-looking effect. Whether you're shooting indoors or outside, this camera is up to the task. One of the biggest challenges when shooting video is staying in focus, but the Sony ZV-1F has you covered. It comes with IAF and autofocus tracking technology, which means you can focus on your subject and let the camera do the rest. For vloggers and selfie enthusiasts, the side-articulating touchscreen LCD is a game-changer. It makes it easy to compose your shots and see yourself on screen, so you can make sure you're in the frame. Finally, the Sony ZV-1F comes with a directional 3-capsule mic and windscreen accessory, which means you can capture clear, high-quality audio even in windy environments. Whether you're an avid adventurer, a passionate photographer, or a vlogger looking to up your content game, there's a camera out there that can help you capture your vision with stunning detail and clarity. From the compact yet powerful Sony ZV-1F, to the 360-degree creative tool that is the Insta360 or the versatile and reliable Canon EOS M50 Mark II, there's a camera for every need and budget. So go out there and capture the world around you like never before.